To install the ESP boards in Arduino IDE, we will first search and select the board. Once we find the board name ESP32 dev module, select it and click on OK. The IDE will then give you a prompt asking you permission for the installation of the board. Click on Yes. The installation will begin. Wait for around 4 to 5 minutes for the installation to complete. Make sure you are connected to a stable network.
One eternity later.
Sometimes the IDE will ask you to select the board again as it is unable to find the previously selected board due to some name update. In this case, click on Yes and select the board again, ESP32 dev module. Now the board is installed and selected to be used. You can also check this by clicking on the board manager icon on the left menu. Now that our board is installed, it's time to test it. For this, we will open up an example code. Click on File, Examples, Basics and Blink. This will open up a code in a new window. Let's make some changes to the code now. ESP32 board has one onboard LED connected internally to pin D2. We will make these changes in the code. We will change the LED built-in function to number 2 everywhere in the code. Once the code is updated, we will connect our board through USB and burn the code by clicking on the arrow icon in the top left corner. Wait for the code to compile and upload. Once the code is uploaded, you can see the blue LED is blinking on the ESP32 board. However, if you got an error, make sure you have selected the correct port. Select the port with USB serial and re-upload the code. If you are getting a list of serial ports and you are unable to find the correct port, turn off your Bluetooth. And now you will be able to see only USB ports. Repeat the process of uploading the code and now your code will be uploaded.